Good morning students. Let's learn about chapter number 10, which is known as circles, which is very important chapter and very easy chapter. Especially first three exercises are very easy. 10.4, 10.5 they are a little bit difficult one, but when I am going to explain you, the chapter is going to be very easy. Circles. In our day-to-day life, you come across with so many objects which are circular in shape. Mama ki gol gol bindi, which is circular in shape. Kada, bangle, roti, sometimes you call it chapati also, button, cycle wheels, all the wheels of the vehicles, they are circular in shape. Even the coins which are in the denomination of 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupees, they all are in circular shape. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the circle, its properties and the questions related to the circles. Now the question is, what do you mean by a circle? If I take a fixed point and if I take a collection of a point which are at a fixed distance from this fixed point, say I am going to take this point which is at a distance of 5 centimeter, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. All these points are at a distance of 5 centimeter, and if I am going to join it, I will be able to get the circle. So this is the collection of the points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. This fixed point O is known as the center of the circle, and this fixed distance is known as the radius. So here OA is the radius. Another definition of radius can be given to you in this way: a line segment which joins from the fixed point to any point on the circle is known as the radius. So here OA, OB and OC, they all are radius, and OA is a radius, OA, OB, OC are radii. The radii is the plural form of the radius. So, and a line segment. What do you mean by a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line whose endpoints are there, which has two endpoints. So a line segment whose endpoint lie on a circle is known, and which passes through the center is known as the diameter. So here EF is a diameter. So if you will see carefully, EF is made by OE plus OF. And OE is also radius and OF is also radius, and this is the diameter. So diameter is double of radius. An arc. Let's learn about an arc. Let's learn about a chord. A chord is a line segment whose endpoints lie on a circle. So here PQ is a chord. This EF is the longest chord because its endpoints are lying on the circle. But since it is passing through the center, that's why its longest chord has become the diameter. This is the chord. So this chord is not passing through the center, so we will call it by a chord. The question is, how many radii are there in a circle? There are infinite radii, same as there are infinite diameters. You can draw infinite diameters, and the question is, how many chords are there? There are infinite chords in a circle. What do you mean by an arc? An arc is a piece of a circle between the 2 points. So here 2 points P and Q are given to you. So this PQ is a arc, and छोटे वाली arc है, छोटी सी arc है. So this is known as your minor arc, and this is known as your major arc. अब अगर मैं बोलूँगी PQ is an arc, PQ is an arc, तो बात नहीं बनेगी. अगर मैं बोलूँ PQ is minor arc and उसको कुछ और नेम दे देती हूँ, तो PAQ is your major arc, बड़े वाली arc है ये, ठीक है? So this is the symbol of arc. PQ is an arc. Now, what do you mean by sector? The sector is the area between the two radii and the arc. This is the area between the two radii OE and OF. So this is known as your sector. So here EOF is minor sector, छोटा sector है ये, और EPF मैं एक पॉइंट ले रही हूँ, तो EPF is your major sector. Circle in the plane on which it lies, it divides the plane into three parts. This first one, this is known as your interior of a circle. And second part is your circle, and the third one is your exterior of a circle. Okay, it divides the plane, this circle divides the plane into three parts. Interior of a circle, circle itself, and the exterior of a circle. When E and F will become the endpoints of the diameter, then each arc will be known as a semicircle. This is semicircle and this is also semicircle. The total distance around the circle is known as the circumference or the perimeter. So perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, and the semicircle will be equal to 2 pi r. Half of 2 pi r is equal to pi r only. The region between the chord and the corresponding arc is known as the segment. So this area is known as the minor segment, chota area, and this APB is minor segment, and this AUB is your major segment. This is all about your sector and the segment. Let's do exercise 10.1, which is very easy exercise. This exercise says that the center of a circle lies in the dash of the circle. There are options given to you, interior and exterior. The center always lie in the interior of a circle. Second part says a point which lies, whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius, lies. Now this is, iska distance radius से ज़्यादा है. So this point will lie in the exterior of the circle. Third part क्या रखा है? The longest chord of a circle. कौन सी होती है longest chord? The longest chord is the diameter of the circle. Fourth point, an arc is a dash when it ends are the ends of a diameter. मैंने अभी आपको बताया था, it is known as a semicircle. Fifth point, segment of a circle is the region between an arc and the chord of a circle. Sixth point, a circle divides the plane on which it lies in three parts. That means the interior of a circle, circle itself, and the exterior of a circle. Second question कहता है write true or false and give reasons for your answers also. Line segment joining the center to any point on a circle is the radius. बिल्कुल any point and the center and the any point is known as the radius. This is true only. Second part कह रहा है a circle has only finite number of equal chords. This chord is equal to this chord. This is also equal. This is also equal. This is also equal. This is also equal. Equal. कितनी बना लो? So this is false statement. There are infinite number of equal chords. Third part कह रहा है if a circle is divided into three equal arcs, each is a major arc. Now this circle is divided into three equal arcs, 1, 2 and 3. कह रहा है each is a major arc. अगर तीनों मेजर हैं तो कोई तो ऐसा होगा ना कि दूसरी कोई ना कोई माइनर होगी. तीनों मेजर कैसे हो सकती हैं? एक को मेजर होना पड़ेगा तो दूसरे को माइनर होना पड़ेगा. अगर एक को प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो दूसरे को लॉस होगा. दिस इज द बैलेंस अबाउट द नेचर ओनली. तो तीनों तो मेजर हो ही नहीं सकती. दिस इज फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. 3 विल बी इक्वल ओनली. तीनों की तीनों इक्वल जरूर होंगी. सो दिस इज स्टेटमेंट. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. ऑल 3 विल बी इक्वल. फोर्थ पॉइंट कहता है a chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is a diameter. बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. Diameter क्या होता है? Diameter is always a double of radius. Fifth point, sector is the region between the chord and the corresponding arc. Now chord and the corresponding arc तो segment होती है, sector नहीं होता है. Sector क्या होता है? It is the area between the two radii and the arc. तो आप इस स्टेटमेंट को दो तरीके से सही कर सकते हो. या तो सेक्टर को कट करके लिख दो सेगमेंट. अगर सेगमेंट की नहीं ठीक करना तो सेक्टर को लिखा रहने दो. सेक्टर इज द रीजन बिटवीन द रेडाई. कोड को कट कर दो. रेडाई एंड द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग आर्क. एंड द लास्ट पार्ट, अ सर्कल इज a plane figure. बिल्कुल, a circle is a plane figure. It's not a three-dimensional figure. So a circle is a plane figure. That's all from exercise 10.1. Let's start exercise 10.2. That is very easy exercise. This exercise says that take a line segment PQ and take a point R which is not lying on the line segment PQ. I'm taking the point R here. So and join PR and RQ. So this angle PRQ is angle subtended by the line segment PQ at point R. Similarly, take a circle and whose center is O and take a code PQ and take 2 points R and S respectively on the major arc and on the minor arc. So angle PRQ is subtended by the code PQ at point R. Angle POQ is the central angle subtended by the code PQ at center, and angle PSQ is subtended by the code PQ at point S. Now, let's examine the relationship between the size of the code and the angle subtended by it at the center. Take a circle and its center is O. Take a smaller chord AB and take a longer chord CD. And angle AOB is the center angle subtended by the smaller chord AB. And angle COD is the central angle subtended by the chord CD at center. अब आप बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा. This is the center angle, ये आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, and this is the bigger angle. So we can conclude that the longer the chord, larger the central angle subtended by it. Smaller the chord, smaller the size of the central angle subtended by it at the center. So is there any relationship between the two equal chords also when they subtend central angles? So let's check it through an activity. I am going to take one circle and two equal chords. Say this is your AB and say this is your CD. They are equal in length and this is the center. So angle AOB, will AOB equal to COD or not? Let's check it through activity. Take a circle and take two equal chords. I am going to take 1 to 4 one chord, and you can check this is 1 to 4 another chord. These two chords are equal, and join the radii, and you draw the angle. Open the compass of any radius and draw one arc. This is the angle and the same arc, so that to check whether these two angles are equal or not. Find the replica of this angle, this darker portion. You have to press it very tightly, and this is the replica. This is the replica. You have to be very careful इस तरह से, ठीक है? And now you cut it very carefully. Do it patiently. And now keep this angle on this angle to check whether the angles are equal or not. Keep it. It is completely covering it. So it means equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. I hope the activity is clear to you. Let's do theorem 10.1. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center, which is given to you on the page number 172. With this solution, there is one black dot is given to you. That means the proof of this theorem can be asked by the code, and the solution should be same as given by the NCERT. Equal chords are a part of a circle. So while proving the proof of a theorem, three things are very important: the figure, what is given to you, and what is to prove. Now equal chords, आपको equal chords दे रखी हैं, ये नहीं दे रखे कि 2 दे रखी हैं, तो we are going to take 2 equal chords because it will be easy with the 2 equal chords to prove the proof of this theorem. They subtend equal angles. So AB is subtending angle AOB at the center and CD is subtending angle COD at the center. आपको prove करना है कि they are subtending equal angles at the center, यानी कि आपको prove करना है angle AOB is equal to angle COD. So I would like to suggest you, instead of writing the full name, to give its name angle 1 and angle 2 because it will take your less time. So you may write down angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Join OA, join OC, join OB and join OD. Now take these two triangles. If I prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other, then by simplicity I can prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. तो सबसे पहले OA is equal to OC because they are a part, they are equal radii. OB is equal to OD, they are also equal radii, and AB is given to you CD. तब आपको दे ही रखा है, उसने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था equal codes. So by S congruence rule, triangles are congruent to each other. So therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CP/CT. The converse of this theorem, that is 10.2, but since the black dot is not given to you, so its solution, its proof cannot be asked. लेकिन मैं फिर भी आपको explain कर देती हूँ. If the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. अब आपको उल्टा दे रखा है. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2 दे रखा है. They are subtended by the chords AB and CD. ये दो angles equal है, तो आपको prove करना है कि if central angles are equal, then the chords are also equal. So what is given to you? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Again, join the radius and take these two triangles. OA is equal to OC. OB is equal to OD because of equal radii, or they are the radii of the same circle, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 आपको दे रखा है. तो by SAS triangles are congruent to each other, so therefore AB is equal to CD by CP/CT.